Today, I'm here to sing a new song. Do you like to sing with me? You like? Okay. Before we're gonna sing, I'm asking you some questions. These days, in the evening, what color is the sky? It is blue in color? No, it's dark. Because there are lots of dark clouds in the sky. It's about to rain. When raining, how do the water drops fall? You can hear the sound. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. When it is heavily raining, you can see the flash. We call it lightning. Also, we can hear the loud noise, thunder. Today, we are going to sing the song called I Hear Thunder. So, join with me. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. It is beautiful, isn't it? So, join with me again. 3, 2, 1, start. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Good job! Practice at home.